One pot, zero faff, this slow cooker chicken casserole is the easiest way to get a high protein, flavor packed dinner on the table. This is how you make it. First thing we're going to do is to brown our chicken. Now, a lot of people don't do this, and admittedly, it wasn't something I used to do when cooking in the slow cooker, but it just gives it so much flavor, and it only just takes a couple of minutes. So my strong recommendation is you just get some color on the chicken first before adding it to the slow cooker. As you can see, I'm using chicken thighs, but you could easily use chicken breasts if you wanted to keep the calories a bit lower. In that same pan, we're then going to add in 2 onions, fry them for a couple of minutes until they start to soften. Add your garlic, give it 30 seconds more, then pour in 150 ml of white wine. Yes, you can see it's frozen. That's what I do with leftover wine, so I can use it for cooking. And you want to simmer that till it reduces by about 2/3, then empty all of it into the slow cooker. The other ingredients just need bunged in: carrots, potatoes, mushrooms, mixed herbs or Italian seasoning if you're in the US, salt, some Dijon mustard, tomato puree, and then for the corn flour, we're using 30 grams mixed with a little bit of water so it doesn't go clumpy, and 500 ml of chicken stock. Then you just need to mix it all through, pop the lid on it, give it 3-4 hours on high or about 6 to 7 hours on low.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
Take the lid off it, garnish with some fresh parsley. It really just gives it another fresh flavour hit. And then you just need to plate it up. You can dunk some crusty bread in it, or you could serve it with more potatoes. It's up to you. As always, if you'd like the full recipe, you can get it in my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!